Stop converting to base 10 if you want to perform simple operation like this. Now let me show you the shortcut. So you have 213 base 4 multiplied by 23 base 4, right? Now let's do this. You start by saying 3 times 3, that's 9. You can write down 9, so you say how many 4 can you find in 9? That's 1, remainder 5. You write down the remainder, which is 5, then you carry 1, right? Next you say 3 times 1, that's 3, plus this 1, that's 4. You can't write down 4 because it's still equal to the base, so you say how many 4 can you find in 4? That's 1, remainder 0. So you write down 0 and you carry 1, right? Now you say 3 times 2, that's 6. 6 plus 1, that's 7. How many 4 can you find in 7? That's 1, remainder 3. So you write down 3, then you put 1 in front because this is the last term, right? Now you move to the next digit. 2 times 3, that's 6. You can't write down 6 because it's greater than the base, so you see how many 4 can you find in 6? That's 1, remainder 2. So you write down 2 and carry 1, right? Next, 2 times 1, that's 2, plus this 1, that's 3. So you can safely write down 3 because it's less than the base, so write down 3. Then you move on to the last digit, which is 2 times 2, that's 4. You can't write down 4 still, so you say how many 4 can you find in 4? That's 1, remainder 0. So you write down the remainder, which is 0, and put the 1 in front since it's the last term, right? So now you can perform the addition. So let's do the addition. 5 plus nothing is 5, but you can't write down 5 because you're working in base 10. So you say how many 4 can you find in 5? That's 1, remainder 1. So you write down 1 and carry 1, right? 1 plus 2, that's 3. It's less than the base, so you write it quickly, right? Then next one, 3 plus 3. Next, that's 6. You can't write down 6, so you say how many 4 can you find in 6? That's 1, remainder 2. So you write down 2 and carry 1. Now 1 plus 1, that's 2. It's less than the base, so you safely write 2. Then lastly, 1 plus nothing, that's 1. And this is the final answer. I hope this helps. Subscribe for more.